Hey guys, Woods Farm here. Welcome to my workshop. Just want to do an update video on newest project at the Woods Farm. Well, as you can see, it's kind of well underway. I've been working on this since October 2016. Basically what happened is just through chance I came across an old Volkswagen 1974 Volkswagen Thing type 181, and kind of made the decision to go ahead and try to salvage it, with my ultimate goal being to build a replica of a World War II era Kubelwagen, which is basically a German equivalent to the Jeep. It was a small kind of off-road vehicle, and that's what I'm working on these days here in the shop. You know, I've done a lot of projects in the past. I've done a lot of, made saddles, a lot of leather working. When I was doing medieval reenacting, made a lot of armor. I'm pretty handy and fairly mechanically inclined. But this is a project, I've never tackled something quite of this scale. So it's kind of putting all my skills into play when it comes to trying to bring this thing back to life. So really the reason of this video is I've decided I'm going to start a GoFundMe campaign. With any big project like this, at some point it kind of boils down to dollars and cents. Certainly I'm putting tons of man hours into this, but at this point I have a goal to try to complete this vehicle, get it in running condition by fall 2019. So with maybe with a little support from people out there that find this project interesting, we might be able to make it. I've done quite a bit so far. Got the motor running. You can see one of my videos. Did a quick kind of refresh on this engine, and it was pretty interesting. Sat for almost 20 years, and I was able to get it running. I got a lot of the work done on the chassis, so now we're just running into straight up fabrication on the body for the Kubelwagen replica. So definitely check out my YouTube page, like and subscribe if this is the kind of project you're interested in. If it's the kind of thing you want to support me on, any sort of donation would be greatly appreciated. Don't think you need to make a big donation. Even $5 goes a long way when it comes to buying materials for this project. So anything you can donate would be awesome. And another part of this project, and I've noticed there's quite a few people following on YouTube already, and I've kind of set out to try to prove that just about anybody can do something like this in their garage. I mean, I don't have a professionally equipped garage, and I'm by no means an expert fabricator, but this is kind of a challenge. Can the average Joe, basically build a car from the ground up? So anyways, thanks for watching, and again, check out my YouTube page, check out my GoFundMe campaign, and any sort of support that you can send my way would be greatly appreciated. Thanks.